Hey, what is happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTrex back with another video, and today we are looking at the Blue Dio Powerful Sound Turbine 4th generation. Let's hit it.
1, 2, 3.
Here it is, guys. We want to do an unboxing of this beautiful thing. I've heard a lot of great reviews on this guy, so let's get to it. First, let's have a turnaround of the box. It says here. Here we go, let's open it up. Let's put that on the side. There we go. Very nice presentation. Very nice, guys. There we go. See here. This box comes with, I believe, a bunch of cables and whatnot. Let's put that box on the side. We only care about this part right here. And yeah, there we go, guys. Very nice turbine. Oh, I would like to say that this is very premium built, as it's metal and it's retractable in whatever size you want. Very nice. Very shiny, as you could see. This part is cushion. Very nice detail that they made there, so it won't hurt your head or ears. It swivels as well, so you could see there. Fits your head very well. Again, retractable. By the way, these headphones are Bluetooth headphones, and they charged via USB-C right there, as you can see. Very nice. It comes with the USB cable to USB-A, and also a USB-C to a headphone jack. So you could use this wirelessly through Bluetooth or wired through headphone jack cable. I've already paired these headphones to my phone, but all you have to do is hold this button.
Power on.
It would say power on, and you keep holding it to pairing mode. And then you would see it on the other devices here if it's brand new. And then once you're ready, you just go ahead and pair it as you would normally would. It would talk to you if it's power on, power off, device connected, and it's really nice. Let's do a sound test.
That's a tough dish, and I'm lying back in they on the ground, they crying now for the Lord now, and I know it ain't nothing that I could do. I think they saw that ghost, yeah. Holy, 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 Lord got me, I know it.
Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. Nice and loud, bassy. Well, as you can see there, guys, very nice device. I bought this for 50 bucks Canadian. So that's really cheap if you want to compare it to Beats and other headphones out there. This also has the active noise cancellation. This is how you would turn it on and off through this toggle. It would also have a next and play button. It would be these guys here. Therefore, if you don't want to spend too much money on your headphones but still have good quality and wireless as well, this is the way to go. Bluedio is doing something great with their devices here, and it's the best bang for your buck. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.
1, 2, 3.